Hello buddies, we are going to study the last unit of natural science, which is electricity and magnetism. We are going to study electricity, magnetism and electromagnetism. Let's start with electrical charges. Everything around us is electrically charged, including people. Electrical charges can be positive or negative. Objects usually have the same number of positive and negative charges. This means they are electrically neutral. Negative charges can move from one object to another when objects come into contact or are rubbed against each other. Objects with the same charge repel, positive and positive or negative and negative. Objects with opposite charges attract, positive and negative. Here you are a drawing explaining what I've just said. As you can see with the arrows, opposite charges attract and the same charges repel. Electric current. Electric current is the flow of electrical charges through materials. Insulators, such as glass, plastic and wood, do not allow electrical charges to move. Conductors, such as most metals, allow electrical charges to move freely. Electric circuits. An electric circuit is a closed path through which electric current flows. It is made of connected components, which are the generator, this provides electricity, cables, these transport the electricity, the switch, this controls the flow of electricity, and finally devices, this transform the electricity into another form of energy. Here you are a drawing of an electric circuit, okay, where you can see the electric components and also an open circuit and a closed one. Magnets. A magnet is an object which attracts other objects made of iron and other magnetic metals. We call this attraction magnetism. Magnets can be natural, like magnetite, or are magnetic forces. All magnets have two poles, north and south. Same poles repel and opposite poles attract. The Earth's magnetism. The Earth behaves like a giant magnet. The Earth's magnetic poles are found near the geographic north and south poles. The red end of a needle in a compass points to the north pole of the Earth. Electromagnetism. Electromagnetism is the relationship between electricity and magnetism. An electromagnet consists of an iron core surrounded by a coil of wire. When the coil of wire is connected to a source of electricity, such as a battery, a magnetic field is created. The iron core becomes a magnet and attracts objects made of magnetic metals. Uses of electromagnets. Electromagnets can be used in trains, cranes, loudspeakers and mobile phones, etc. And this is the end of the lesson, students. I hope you liked it. And actually it's the last unit of natural science. This is the end of the course. Bye bye, students.